Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make crème brûlée foam. Start by heating cream with vanilla until steaming, then slowly temper egg yolks with warm cream while whisking constantly to prevent curdling. Strain the custard to remove solids and cool briefly before charging in a siphon or aerating gently with a hand blender. Chill the foam so it sets slightly and test texture before torching sugar for a crisp finish. Gather heavy cream, egg yolks, granulated sugar, and vanilla, and measure carefully to balance richness and stability. Heat the cream with scraped vanilla until just steaming, then whisk sugar into yolks while tempering gradually with hot cream to avoid cooking the eggs. Once combined, strain into a clean vessel and cool it to refrigerator temperature before charging a siphon or whipping gently, which ensures a silky, stable foam that holds its air. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long cook sessions, and they stand up to heat and constant standing in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals. It helps me out a lot. Now let's get back to the video. Choose your aeration method based on equipment and texture preference, either a cream siphon for light, stable foam, or a hand blender for denser results. Strain the custard thoroughly to prevent grainy bits and chill to help the foam set properly. When using a siphon, follow cartridge guidelines for volume and test one small portion first. Finally, torch the sugar swiftly to form a crisp caramel layer without overheating the foam underneath.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.